So what does that do, taking it from the kiln to put it in the trash can? Is it...
Okay, so the whole process of raku is of the glaze itself. And when you put it in here, yeah, we start it on fire. It's oxygen going on in there. And then what we do is we starve it for oxygen by putting the lid on it.
Okay.
Reduction atmosphere in there goes with all of the glazes and makes those really beautiful, iridescent, lovely, beautiful colors. Okay.
Pose.
Thank you.
How do you know when to put the lid on?
I like them to catch on fire a lot. Yeah.
Do you need more bags?
No, I think it's good. Well, I think it's good.
Starve, you little suckers.
Sometimes it gets smoky, so we like to put a wet towel around it.
It's okay, we got the ring gas going with the smoke.
So this will get rid of that smoke.
Start stacking.
Yeah.
Look, the smoke even looks colored.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it does.
And then the closest to the middle as possible because we'll just do this batch.
Wait on mine.
Oh, yeah. No,
Now this
All right,
should
let's change out the propane tank and put that other one on.